Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today we travel to the emotional moments when animals see the people who saved their lives and raised them after months and even years. Before watching the video, be sure to subscribe to the 8 Minutes Adrenaline channel. Lions are undoubtedly the most fearsome and ferocious creatures in the world. But what makes this man play with them so easily? The reason is that this man saved the lions from death when they were cubs, raised them, and now he is like a father to them. Even this rabbit gets emotional when she sees her friend after a long time. You might think that this bear is dancing with this woman. Yes, that's right. When the bear sees this woman after many years, he dances and plays with her because this woman found the bear in the forest when he was a cub and small many years ago and raised him. Pay attention to the bear's behavior and affection to see how much he loves this woman. This little penguin traveled thousands of miles to return to his friend and savior and spent some time with the man to show his gratitude. When the baby orca was stranded on the beach, a young woman who was a whale trainer and breeder found him. The woman quickly called the rescue team, and after hours the baby whale was rescued. But due to his injuries, he was transferred to a care center. During the treatment, the young woman was always next to the whale and played with him. And even after the whale was released into the sea, she went to him and they swam together. Watch this blind dog run towards his friend. This man, who volunteers at a dog shelter, rescued and cared for this dog, and now, after a long time without seeing him, the dog recognizes him. Hyenas may not be popular among animals, but when this man finds a baby hyena, he can't ignore it and saves it. The man takes care of the hyena like a pet dog, and now that the hyena has grown up and is strong, it is very calm and behaves like a pet dog. When he sees the man after a long time, he is very excited. This man finds a small bird that is injured and heals it. When the bird sees the man a long time later, the bird's behavior is very interesting. Tigers are usually even bigger and scarier than lions, but this woman moves easily next to them and plays with the tiger. Because this woman found the tiger when it was a very small cub and raised it like a mother to the tiger cub, and now the tiger loves the woman like its own mother. If you enjoyed watching the video so far, be sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the 8 Minute Adrenaline channel. This dog is very excited when her owner returns from war after years. The cheetah is the fastest animal on land. But with this woman, the cheetahs are very peaceful because when predators hunt their mother, the woman finds them and takes care of them and lives with them for years. But when she is forced to leave them for a while, after the cheetahs return, it is as if they have met their real mother. Even crocodiles know the people who save their lives. Rhinos weigh several tons and are very nervous. This one lived in an animal shelter after being rescued from poachers who wanted to kill him for his horn, and this person treated him. Now look how excited he is when he sees this person years later. Even boars that have escaped from predators feel relieved to see their savior. And yet another emotional moment of elephants seeing their caregivers after a long time. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget that animals are a big part of our world.